Hi, hello everyone. Good morning, one and all. In last session, already we discussed about introduction of sets. What is meant by set? What are the representation of a set? So, what are the examples of a set? What are the different forms of a set? So, these concepts we studied in last session. So what are the representation of a set? Tell me. So first representation is roster method. Another representation is set builder method. Roster method means the set of elements separated by commas enclosed with their braces is called roster method or least in method. So least in method means we can say like this also. Least in the elements is called least in method. So set builder method means the set of all those elements which possess single common property which does not possess the any element outside the set is called set builder method or rule method. Rule method means we have to give one common rule. Okay. So for example, 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4 is there. That means set of natural numbers less than 5. So we can't say set of natural numbers less than 4, but because 4 is missing. So that's why for that, according to that, we have to give common rule. That is called set builder method or rule method. Now, in this session, we have to discuss intervals and exercise 1.1. So, before going to exercise 1.1, what is meant by interval? What is meant by interval? So, interval means here defining the certain range. Defining the certain range, okay, is called interval. Defining the certain range is called interval. Okay. So here two types of interval is there. One is open interval, another one is closed interval. Okay. So there are two types of interval. One is open interval, another one is closed interval. So these intervals are very important, both first PU and entire first PU and entire second PU. Okay. So these are the basics. That's why observe carefully and we have to study carefully. So there are two types of interval, open interval or closed interval. Okay. So here what is meant by open interval? So what is meant by closed interval means here first open interval. Open interval. The interval contains including endpoints. Including endpoints is called open interval. So here open interval means the interval contains including endpoints. The interval contains including endpoints is called open interval. So how it is an open interval, how it is a closed interval? Open interval always we can denote it as less than, greater than. Closed interval always we can denote it as less than or equal, greater than or equal. Suppose here, so minus 1 less than x less than 3. here minus 1 to 3, the range of this interval is minus 1 to 3, so that's why this is called interval. So how it is open interval means less than is there means in your interval, less than is there means that is open interval, open interval. Now minus 1 less than, x less than, we can write the set that is excluding open interval means excluding endpoints, not including, sorry, I mean excluding endpoints, okay. So excluding endpoints is called open interval. We can leave the minus 1 and minus 3. What are the remaining elements? 2, okay, that is 0 1 2, that's all, okay. So this is the set A is equal to, so this one we can write interval form, okay, interval form, that is here interval form open interval always we can write simple bracket, within the simple bracket closed interval we can write square bracket, okay. So here minus 1 is open, this is interval form, okay. Minus 1 is open and 3 is open, this is open interval, minus 1 comma 3, so minus 1 is open, 3 is open, okay. So here minus 1 excluding 3, what are the remaining elements? 0 1 2. For this interval we have to write the number line, okay. So number line, this is 0 1 2 3, this side minus 1, so minus 1 and 3, we should leave these circles and we can shade remaining, because so we should, I mean excluding this minus 1 and 3, what are the remaining elements? 0 1 2, so we should, I mean minus 1 is open, 3 is open, okay. So this is called open interval. Open interval means the interval contains excluding endpoints. Sometimes I mean here 2 less than x less than 5, okay. So yes, tell me, this is what? Open. In your interval this form is there? No, I mean this form that is less than is there means that is open, okay. Less than or equal is there? No, that is closed, okay. You keep in the mind. So less than idre adu open antivi, less than or equal idre adu closed antivi, don't confuse, okay. Only less than is there means that is open, less than or equal is there means that is closed. Here 2 is open, 5 is open. Now first I will write number line and afterwards I will write set and afterwards I will write interval. See, this is 0 1 2 3 4 5. What are the end points? 2 is the end point. What are the end point? 5 is the end point. So now 2 and 5 exclude ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 2 and 5 ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2 and 5 ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? 2 ಸೇರಿದೆ ಅಂತ, ಓಕೆ. ಇದು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅವಾಗ 2ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ, 2ನ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು, 5ನ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾದ 3 and 4, okay. Now set is A is equal to 3, 4. Now interval form is tell me, 2 is open, 5 is open. See, don't confuse. So this is interval only, but it is a set builder. This is set builder, okay. Set builder interval form. Idu standard interval form. This is number line. This is set form, okay. Don't confuse. This is nothing but open interval. I'll write one more example, okay. So that is 2 less than x less than 4 or 7. You take any one. Okay, 2 less than x less than 7. Tell me children, your interval form is what? 2 is open, less than either it is a open. This is open form. This is open interval form. This is closed interval form. Here less than ideyalla adake 2 is open. Next 7 is what? Open. Okay, now we have to write the set, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I mean ending points are 2 and 7. So now we should leave the 2 and we should leave the 7. So remaining elements are what? 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, remaining elements are 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is interval form, this is number line form, this is set form. Don't confuse, this is called open interval. So open interval means the interval contains the interval excluding the endpoints. Excluding the endpoints means here we should leave the endpoints. I mean endpoints bit remaining elements ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, excluding endpoints we should leave the -1 and we should leave the 3. What are the between range is there? No, that is interval. Okay, so between what are the elements? 0, 1, 2. Okay, so see 0, 1, 2. So now this one, this is also interval, but interval form only, but this form is a set builder form. Set builder interval form. So this one we can write standard interval form means here less than is there? No, open. Here also less than is there? No, open. Okay, so this is called open interval. Next, closed interval. Next, closed interval. The interval including endpoints, so is called closed interval. Okay, so 1 mark question or 2 mark question will come for this interval. Okay, so closed interval means the interval including endpoints, that is called closed interval. Okay, so but always we can use what? Less than or equal. For closed interval we can use less than or equal. See, -1 less than or equal, x less than or equal 3. Okay, now including -1 and including 3. So first I will write number line. Okay, see that is -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So endpoints are -1, here endpoint is 3. Now so -1 to 3. Okay, it is going -1 to 3, but it is including -1 and including what? 3. So including -1 and including 3. So that's why we should write the set A is equal to -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. That's why I am shading this. Okay, I am shading this circle, but in open interval, so I did not shade, because we should leave that point, excluding that point, but it is including endpoints -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so including -1 and including 3, -1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. This is a set. Now we should write interval form. So interval form is -1 is close, this is close. So and 3 is close. This is 3 is close. Okay. So I will write one more example. 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Okay. So 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. So I mean, so interval is 0 is closed, 5 is closed. So I mean number line form 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 ending points are 0, 5 is end point. I mean, so it goes to 0 to 5, including 0 and including 5. I mean, I should shade this. Okay. Now what are the set? Including 0, 0 comma, 1 comma, 2 comma, 3 comma, 4 comma, 5. 0 comma, 1 comma, 2 comma, 3 comma, 4 comma, 5. Okay. This is interval form. This is number line form. This is set form. Okay. I think all of it clear, because this interval concept is very, very important. So I will give one more example. Okay. So that is 10 less than or equal x less than or equal to 15. Including 10 and 15. See, in the definition only answer is there. The interval including endpoints. So include 10 and including 15. But only less than is there, no? That is excluding 10 and excluding 15. Okay. So here the number line is, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 is end point, 15 is end point. So it goes to 10 to 15. 10 to 15. So now what is the set? 10 comma, 11 comma, 12 comma, 13 comma, 14 comma, 15. Interval form is, so 10 is closed, 10 is closed, 15 is closed. So this is number line form, this is set form, this is interval form. So these are the two types of interval. One is open interval, another one is closed interval. Sir, we have one doubt, sir. So always you are using less than or less than or equal. What about greater than? We will not use greater than. So observe here. Suppose minus 1 greater than x greater than 3 will come. So here this is x greater than 3, but x less than minus 1. That means x, I mean 3ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ minus 1ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ? 3ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? x ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 3, x ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 3, ಬಟ್ x is less than minus 1. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಮೀನ್ 3ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. 3ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂದರೆ 4, 5 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ minus 1ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದರೆ x ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಲೆಸ್. ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಲೆಸ್ ಇದು ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಲೆಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನು ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ two types of intervals. One is open interval, another one is closed interval. Next, there are 4 possibilities is there. 4 possibilities of intervals. Okay, first one is open. Second one is open, close. Third one is close, open. Fourth one is close. Open, close, open, close. So open. So I mean open means, see, this is open, I will write here, that is -1 less than x less than 3. See, so this side also open, this side also open, -1 is also, -1 is open, 3 is also open. This is open. For this interval is -1 comma 3, because -1 is open, 3 is open. That's why you should write what? Open. See children, for open, this bracket. For open, this bracket. Open, close. I mean, open is this bracket. Close is square bracket. Close, open. See children? So that is, this is close, this is open. Close. This is close, this is close. Okay? See here. So and again here, -1 is open, 3 is open. So we should write number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3. This side is -1. So -1 and 3. Okay. So now, so including, not sorry, excluding -1 and 3, because -1 is open, 3 is open. So we should write set A is equal to 0, 1, 2. Okay. So this is the set. Okay. This is the number line, this is the interval form, this is the set form. Open. Next, open, close. Second one is open, close. -1 less than x less than or equal to 3. So -1 is what? Open. 3 is what? Close. Okay. So this is open, this is close. -1 is open, 3 is closed. So now I should write set form. 0, 1, 2, 3. This side is -1. -1 is what? Open. 3 is closed. So 3 is closed. No, I should shade this. -1 is open, I should not shade this. Okay. So I mean, shading means including that point and tartha. Okay. So without shading means excluding that point. Okay. Now set is what? Set is excluding -1. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So -1 is open, 3 is close. This is open, close. Okay. Open, close. Next, third one, close, open. This example only. Close. -1 less than or equal. We can use less than or equal. That is close. Only we can use less than, is there? No. That is open. -1 less than or equal x less than 3. Now -1 is close. No. -1 is close. 3 is open. So now I should write, so number line, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So -1 end point, 3 is end point. So now I should shade -1, because -1 is what? Close. I should not shade 3, because 3 is open. So I should left the 3 remaining elements I should write. So what are the elements? -1, 0, 1, 2. This is close, open. Next, close. -1 less than or equal x less than or equal 3. Okay. So here also close, here also close. -1 is close, 3 is close. Now we should write interval form. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. -1 is close, 3 is close. I should write, so I mean -1 to 3. So I should shade -1, I should shade 3, because including -1 and including 3. Now set form is -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is different forms. Okay, so there are 4 possibilities of intervals. First possibility is what? Open, open. So observe carefully because this is very, very important. Okay, so for first PU and second PU, so these are the basics for higher studies also. Open, 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 close, close, open, close, close. Okay, so see, so open, open, so less than is there means it is a open. Okay, open, open, -1 is open, 3 is open, -1 comma 3. Okay, so -1 is open, 3 is open, so I should leave -1 and I should leave 3. So what is the remaining? 0 comma 1 comma 2. So here -1 less than x less than or equal to 3. -1 is open, 3 is close. Okay, so -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. -1 is open, 3 is close. Okay, so I mean I should leave -1, I should exclude -1, I should include 3. So what is the set? 0, 1, 2, 3. Next, close, open. Close, open means, so this is less than or equal, I am writing, see, this is close, this is what? Open. -1 is close, 3 is open. So -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So -1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 2. I should include -1, I should exclude 3. -1 less than or equal, x less than or equal 3. So -1 is close, 3 is close. That is fourth possibility, close, close. Next, so including -1 and including 3, we should write set -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are the 4 possibilities of intervals. Okay, open, 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 close, close, open, close, close. But there are 2 types of interval. One is open interval, another one is closed interval. Okay, one is open interval, another one is closed interval. Okay, so in this session only we discussed the intervals. What is meant by interval? Defined in the certain range. What are the types of interval? 2 types. One is open interval, another one is closed interval. So what are the 4 possibilities? So I mean before going to 4 possibilities, what is the open? Excluding the end points. That word will come. Excluding end points. This is open. Including end points. Including end points means that is close. So excluding the end points, open. Including the end points, close. But there are 4 possibilities: open, 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 close, close, open, close, close. Okay, so these open interval and closed intervals you should practice one time and you